just checked in to Aria. It is, what's today, Saturday?
Yes.
We are headed to Fontainebleau for dinner and to get some free play.
We're gonna eat at Mother Wolf.
Yep. And hopefully we'll turn some free play into some cash.
Yes.
So we will pick it up when we get there. Different during the day, but yeah, that's pretty fancy. Yeah, this is definitely a fancy place for sure. Piggies, 10 cents enum. Come on. Oh, sweating it. Come on, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What's in there? Big numbers? Come on. Mini? Come on. Bigger, 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 bigger. Bam. Alright, 50. Now, what's in this one? Come on. Any big one? No, come on. 200. 150. I'll take that. $200. Boys on fire. Hell yes. And we did tier match. Tier match gives you $100 food credits. Just instantly, so we're gonna see. We're not starving, but we definitely gotta eat. Double reels, 10 cents, $6 spent. Look at this. Look at this. This could be big. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep it up. Come on, son. Oh, Nelly, come on. All right. Miner's available for 500. Strap. Alright, we're doing the bottom one first. not bad. Nope. Alright, $379. $379. What'd you get over there? Oh, yeah. Thanks. Alright, so we just checked into Fontainebleau. First time staying here. What are we in? 31st floor?
No, 60.
61st. Oh, I'm confused. Alright, so quick little room tour here. Quick half bath off there. Dual sinks. Massive. And I mean massive shower. That's the biggest shower I think I've ever seen. Look at this. Holy smokes. It's at least 10 foot. That's insane. Alright, we'll come out here. Nice little setup here. Fancy, I tell you what. King size bed. Nice little bar set up here. And this seems to be the winner. Now, we've stayed many places, but we've never stayed here. Just look at this view. Like, how crazy is that? See everything. That's insane. Perfect shot of the sphere. That's insane. Definitely worth checking out if you haven't. All right, we're gonna go down and gamble. We'll come back. So just a quick update. I know we said we're at Fontainebleau. We did a match. They matched MGM's offer, and I'll put a link to the video. They gave us quite handsomely some free play. So we're gonna go down. The plan is we're gonna pick games. We're gonna alternate, use some free play. We have reservations at Mother Wolf at 6:30 tonight, so hopefully that goes well. We've never eaten there. And then we're gonna play some slots. Hopefully we hit. If we hit any jackpots, we'll be back. All right, what are we on? 2 cents, $3 bets. We got the bonus. Come on, Brenda.
All right, come on.
Come on, Ocean Spin. Pay us. All right, come on.
Give us free spin.
Oh, we want that. Oh, we'll take the main. Get it.
Right.
5 by 5.
Okay.
That's good. All right, we gotta add some stuff. Come on. We're still off free play. Come on. I don't think we've had the bonus on this yet, have we? Oh, you got to get 10 to upgrade. Okay. I gotcha. Come on. So you need 6 more. How many spins you got left? Oh, it reads. Yeah, okay. All right, that's good. We have $5. Oh, that's 2 center. 2, so that's 10. All right, we're good.
What do we need to upgrade?
We need 2 more coins.
Come on.
Come on. Give you 1. All right, 1 more. Come on. Come on, hit it. All right, upgrade. So now you at least have 1, 2, or 4. 5 more to upgrade. Come on, that'd be huge. So you're 2 centers. Come on. All right, come on, 3 more. You got 1760 in the kitty. Oh, hit a 4. All right, there.
All right.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Hell yeah.
And then upgrade that.
So you're at least 4, 10, and 20. 2 centers. Oh my God, come on. Are you shitting me? Come on.
Give us some.
There's 1.
All
All right. Jesus Christ. We haven't even spun yet either. Come on, big one. Oh my God, big one. Come on. Come on. Come on, big one. Come on, come on. All right, 28. That's 2 centers too. That's 56. Come on. Come on, Brandon. Let's spin that wheel. Oh my God, can you imagine? Come on. These are 2 cents. Come on. Come on, come on. Keep going, keep going. No, no, no.
No.
Oh, yeah, 400 bucks.
That's
Yeah, yeah.
nice.
Oh, free play. Sorry. That's good. Still got half our free play left, too. Good start to the trip. First slot, first beer on the way. That's a big win. All right, $400. Good job. All right. All right, we're at Mother Wolf. We're sitting down for dinner. Good, thank you. Packed Saturday night. We get food, we'll come back. Kitchen's busy tonight. I'm not videoing you. Pretty dark. We both had to use our glasses and our flashlights for the phone. Oh yeah. We got appetizer. Bread with olive oil and sea salt apparently. So we'll dig into that and we'll let you know. Second appetizer came, what do we get? Short rib meatballs. Bread, what do you think so far? Pretty good. Olive oil base. Very good. So I got the rib cap. Brandon, you got the fettuccine, right? That's fettuccine from Bruno?
Yes.
Yep. Would you care for it in place? What'd you get? Fettuccine?
Yeah, the fettuccine al burro.
Yeah. And I got the rib cap. Looks amazing so far. 2 thumbs up. All right, we just got done at, where we go? Mother Wolf?
Mother Wolf. Ooh, that's close.
Fox?
It was so good.
Yeah.
So good. The bread was good. Our favorite was the short rib meatballs.
Yep, that was very good.
So good.
They melt in your mouth. What did you have again? You
I had the
fettuccine.
fettuccine al burro, I think it's called.
And I had the rib cap, but we had comps, complete transparency on it. Overall, it was about $175 meal. Would I do it again? Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was so worth it.
Yeah, it was so worth it. Chill spot, great food. You're not leaving sickly full. Yeah, 2 thumbs up for sure.
Yes. And if he says he'll pay that again, he liked it.
Probably top spot. If it was closer to strip, it'd be good. We're going to use the rest of our free play, and then if we hit anything, we'll get. All right, 1 cent, $3 max bet. We hit the free games bonus. We need some briefcases. Let's go. Come on. This is always a fun one. We get to pick. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Briefcases. Pick 'em winner. Uh-oh. $15 win? All right. I forgot she's wild. I'm gonna let it go. Yeah, hit the button. Oh, I get to pick a case. Let's go. Oh yeah, deal or no deal bonus. Let's go. Come on.
Let's play deal or no deal.
Oh yeah. Look at those numbers. Come on. No bonuses. No, come on. Uh-oh. This is toughy.
Pick a case to
yeah.
keep as your own.
Here we go. I gotta pick some
Select
cases.
6 briefcases.
6. Oh, $20. Oh no. Whoppers. Low. All right. We'll take that.
Yes, this is what we
2 more
want.
left. Come on. Low. Oh yeah. Banker's
this is
calling.
what we want. Let's
66.
see what the banker has for you.
There's a lot of big numbers on there. What do you think? That's like, that's there. I think we'll take it.
Okay.
I think we're gonna take it. 66. That's not bad. We'll take it.
Deal!
66. What do we have? What do we have? $60.
Well done. You beat
All right.
the banker. Thanks for playing deal
We're still in spins.
or no deal.
Come on. Get it again. Get it again. Get it again. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, we gotta pick them again. Oh yeah, pick them winner. Should I go to the same spot? Top right? Oh yeah! Let's go!
It's time to play Deal or No Deal.
I pick the same number? I always pick 16. Come on. All right.
Select a briefcase. Select 6 briefcases.
Low. Oh, shoot. Low. Oh.
Wow, that's not what we wanted to see.
One more. Oh.
It's a call from the
62.
banker.
That's still good.
I'm going to take that one, too. That's a good win.
Deal!
All right, 62. What do we have? We had 60 last time. 25. That's a win.
Congratulations! You beat the banker.
It should go.
That was class free spin, right?
It was. You're correct. All right, if we get anything else, what was that? 147. All right, we'll come back.